managerial accounting, we're answering the question, how are we doing? And one of the first questions we often answer is, how much is it costing us to make our stuff? So before you even open up your managerial accounting textbook, you might want to think about materials, labor, and overhead going into work in process. And then once we finish working on it, our stuff moves into finished goods, where it sits until we sell it. So you remember our T accounts from financial accounting. The left-hand side is the debit, the right-hand side is the credit. So we're going to take materials, labor, and overhead, move those dollars into work in process, work on it, work on that stuff, convert those raw materials into something else. Then we're going to move those dollars into finished goods, and our goods will acquire no more costs at that point. They'll sit there until we sell them, and then those dollars finally hit the income statement as the cost of the goods we just sold, or as we abbreviate it, cost of goods sold. Materials, labor, overhead move into work in process into finished goods, and finished goods to cost of goods sold.